I am a girl.
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 So you telling me he spoke? There's no way he spoke. There's no way he spoke and I didn't peep. There's no way he spoke and I didn't peep that he was... Nah.
So I'm Claire. I'm from Huntington Beach, I'm 24.
Off the listen, I couldn't even tell.
I'm 26, and I'm from Inglewood.
Oh, you're leaving. What you leaving for?
I'm 23 and I'm from Long Beach, California.
I'm Mia. I'm 19 and I'm from Pasadena, California.
I'm Celeste. I'm 19 and I'm from Culver City, California.
I'm Casey. I'm 18 and I'm from Los Angeles, California.
My name is Natalie, but you can call me Nat. I am from Washington. I recently moved here for work, but yeah.
For the most part, my technique.
What? Now, he sounded a little nervous though, but nah. From the intro, I couldn't tell.
Coming in with is like a more masculine take on it, because if I was too girly, then it would be too obvious.
What's everyone wearing?
I'm in some Sambas, black jeans, and like a light greenish top from Zara.
Okay.
I'm wearing Levi's, a like bodysuit, and then Dunks, and a little cardigan too.
I'm wearing like a purple skirt and like a white off-the-shoulder top, kind of.
See, Casey's voice is a little... I can see why they will vote off Casey, because Casey's voice sounded a little shaky. But,
So, like, what's everyone's shoe size?
Ooh, I'm a size 10.
10?
Yeah, 10 in women's.
How tall
and
are you?
5'10".
with these heads.
Oh yeah, so that makes sense.
I'm a
you
short
look funny,
girly.
Tay.
I'm 4'11" without these heels on.
Whoa.
On a good day, I'm 5'4" though.
I am wearing size 7.5. I think it's pretty average for girls, I guess.
Who says
I'm like
0.5?
5'3".
I'm a size 5.
I'm 6 foot and I have a shoe size of 9, so.
I like how we all just started sharing our height.
Can I ask you guys something?
Yeah.
What's like your biggest insecurity?
Ooh, good question.
Hard hitting. I was suspicious of Hania at first, just because she seemed to be asking a lot of the questions.
Nah, it's
and
'cause her voice
having
is a little
lot
more
of
masculine.
Large role in the discussion.
I got a big old forehead.
Get
I'm coming for every...
twin. We locked in like this, Hania. Twin. We locked in. Forehead game. You say that shit proudly.
one with a regular forehead, because
Word.
y'all sound like y'all...
Fuck y'all regular forehead ass niggas. If you got a 5 head, we up there, you know what I'm saying? 5 head and up, we gang like this. Regular forehead and down and below that, fuck y'all niggas.
Y'all got regular foreheads. Like, I'm getting regular forehead energy here.
Yo, even his laugh, bro. Even his laugh, bro. You heard that nigga laugh?
Regular forehead energy here.
Yo, the nigga chuckled. The nigga chuckled like a girl, bro. Nah, but Tay, you got an 8 head. Your fat ass forehead, nigga.
Laughing was a big thing for me. They were laughing a ton, and I was trying to like... It just didn't work out.
Nigga, that worked!
I was trying my best.
I think the
worked.
biggest thing for me is acne. I have it on my face and my back, and it's pretty bad, especially when I want to go to the beach. And so it can be pretty annoying.
How do you do this?
I have a...
Hold on. Let me try to get my best, my best girly voice. I'm so yeah. Oh! No, I'm nice with it or no? I'm so yeah. So wait, hold on. I think my shit a little too. So yeah. So when I go to the beach, tell me my shit not sturdy. Like I couldn't pass for a little female. Nah. That nigga's hating for real.
I have another question. What's your like usual
What, my shit bad?
go-to style?
For me, not. I think I would say like an urban, like, hippie
Nigga say yes, bitch. Yo, nah.
style. I'm not super fancy as a person, so yeah, I'd say urban comfy.
Whatever is currently in style, I try to stick to that.
Yeah,
for the
that's
most
how I
part.
feel too.
With something in my
try to keep
teeth,
just,
bro.
Like, timeless, wearing timeless like pieces that
Yeah.
like keeping it timeless.
Very practical.
I'm wearing a tank top right now, so it works out.
What did you guys want to be when, like, you were a little girl?
I really wanted to be a veterinarian.
Same.
I really
actually.
loved animals. I still love animals. I was a horse girl.
I can relate to that. I have horses back in Washington, so Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
One
I
of them's
love
name is
that.
Scooby Doo. It's great.
Scooby-Doo.
I love
He's
that.
adorable.
I assembled like a speech for certain questions, but there were certain questions that were just completely off what they were like off the page. Like the horses thing. I just jumped in as soon as I could. I'm like, yeah, I have horses. I don't have horses.
For me, I've always wanted to be like a singer, songwriter. So that's what I'm trying to do.
Okay.
Can you sing? So I'm assuming you can sing.
Yeah, I do. I write my own songs.
Let me hear something, shorty.
Okay, so we're gonna be like your first fan.
Word.
After.
Yeah, for sure. That'd be awesome.
Casey's voice is kind of high, so it did make me a little suspect. I'm like, she kind of sounds like a princess from a Disney movie.
That's what I'm saying. Her voice, Casey's voice sounds like she's kind of trying to force it, but that's actually her natural voice. And with them being blindfolded, they probably trying to listen to like, whose voice sound the most forced? Bro, her shit sound like it's forced, but that's actually how she talks.
And that doesn't just happen. I wanted to be an obstetrician gynecologist.
Oh, what?
And then I got to UCLA and took chemistry. And I was like, oh, we gonna switch that around to something else.
Were you pre-med?
Yeah, I was like biochem. I was like, oh, absolutely not. I'm a stand-up comedian now, though. That's completely different than where we started.
Before I
It was
done-
almost like when you know somebody's lying because they explain too much. That's what it was like. Okay, she planned this script out pretty well. So did you guys go to school, like college or anything?
Yes, I went to UCI, Irvine.
Oh.
I graduated from like a small little school in Boston. It's called LaSalle, but it's not really well known. But yeah, so I was over there for 4 years, and then this is like my first full year being.
Yo, Tay, you got a regular forehead or not?
Yeah.
Hey, do you think I'm gonna win this episode? Be sure. Wait. Hey, do you think I'm gonna win this episode? Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's
So you telling me this nigga not trans, bro? He gotta be trans, bro.
get back to the video.
Or he had some type of vocal surgery or some shit. Bro, I bet Brett they gonna vote Casey off. Oh, they on him. Wait, what they doing?
We don't trust each other. This is.
We will just move on to round 2 with all of you.
I have the
You
first
lying.
question.
All right, go ahead.
You don't got a regular
What was your guys'
forehead.
first period like?
I was just gonna ask that.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah, we got to get down to the nitty gritty
So-
now.
For me, I knew what was going on because I read like the American Girl doll books and everything. Yeah, for me, it was over the summer before 9th grade, and I was getting ready to go to track practice, and then it just happened, and I was like, oh, well, I guess I'm a woman now. I was like,
But they gotta vote
kind of
Casey off,
behind
right?
everybody else, so I knew it was gonna come soon, so I was kind of ready for it.
I was in the 6th grade bathroom and I was freaking out and my friends are outside. So when I got home, I told my mom and she just like shoved me a pad and said,
Nah,
"Hey,
he's
try to,
too
like,
good,
put this
bro. They
on."
all sound
And
like
then
they're
here,
forcing it.
she never, I don't know, it's like maybe it's an Asian thing. She just never talked to me about it.
I think I was in 7th grade, I'm pretty sure. I was at home and I like went to the bathroom and I saw that there was blood and I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to call my mom for some reason, so I called my cousin. I was like, I don't know what's going on, like help me.
And you
so-
never had to talk or anything either?
I did, which was like the funny part.
okay.
Like I don't know, and then I eventually told my mom like after her. But yeah, my cousin was the first one that knew. So
I was in 7th grade math class and it was super awkward. I was basically sitting at my desk. I felt a really weird, like, sensation below my stomach. And I was really confused because they were talking about interesting stuff in health class before that point. But eventually I just ran to the bathroom because I just didn't feel good.
Okay, there's no way one of you isn't a girl. That's crazy.
Bro,
I had no idea about anything involving periods or anything like that, so I just went with it.
Name something really specific that only a girl would get. Like specific. Don't just say pad.
I have really
wait, Tay, aren't you a girl, Tay?
insane cramps, so I have Midol on me at all times.
Okay, that's specific. Midol.
At all times, I have to have it.
how do you know how do you know when your period's coming?
I have really, really bad lower back pain.
Low key though, bro, you've spoken to enough girls in your life. Girls talk about their periods all the time, bro. Like when girls say that their period coming, like, oh, I got acne coming up, or my face is breaking out, my period's coming, or I got mood swings, my period's coming, oh, I'm getting a craving for chocolate, my period's coming. Like if you talk to enough girls or like converse with enough girls, you start to like notice how they like how they act when their period is coming or like when they're on their period. You can just tell. He probably got mad girlfriends or like a bunch of girls that are friends with him or friends that are girls And he probably, you know what I'm saying? That's why he know all that shit about the periods, bro. This
and
nigga's
I'm
smart.
like in pain for like 2 days before, and I always get the same pimple around
Or like
the
they're-
area.
Or the biggest one is when their nipples start to hurt. Once their nipples start to hurt, oh, my period's coming.
Same,
Every
like
time.
it's
right
on my
before my
cheek.
period.
Is anyone irregular?
Well, I started birth control and like it's really screwed me up. Like I started the Nexplanon, so that's something another girl like everyone
Specific?
else. That's specific.
Has anybody had any like scary experiences that they associate with being a woman?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
man.
100%. It's really disgusting kind of what happens when you're just existing as a woman. One time at a college party, a guy talked to me for like 2 seconds, and then the next day I found out that he was telling everyone that I slept with him.
What?
You say
Nah, that
yes as
nigga
a
whack.
woman,
I ain't gonna lie.
you're a whore. You say no as a woman, you're a prude. If you're somewhere in between, people.
Yes, she told me her? Nah, but like a bunch of girls be telling me though, like when their period is coming, their nipples start to hurt. Or like their whole breast just start to hurt in general. I don't know.
will still find a way to hate you.
Yeah.
So
Preach to